So you got a little extra cash. What do you spend it on? I got 10 things that you can buy with the extra cash. All these things I'm trying to keep under $300. If you got some money for Christmas, or you got some money during tax returns, or for any reason, this video is for you. Number one is a grounding kit for your engine. There is 3 options you can do for this. You can go on Amazon and get an HKS kit. Those work just fine. They're about 20 bucks. Second option, you can go to Battery Cables USA and actually plan out and build your own grounding kit. And you can choose what size wire you're going to use, and then they do all the connectors and everything on it. So you pick exactly what you want. That's probably going to run you about 30 bucks. Last option is you can get a grounding kit pre-made for the SpecV. They're fancy. They have sleeves on them, and they're made by Ray, which was in the b15 community. He's still around, but he doesn't have his car anymore. So if you're trying to support more of a local business versus a large corporation, that's also a way you can go. It is a bit more pricey though. You're looking about 80 bucks for a grounding kit. Number 2 is going to be a dress up for your engine. So it could be you just replacing factory bolts with new bolts. Could be you're buying titanium bolts. You can be getting any number of things. Prices for that are going to range anywhere from like 20 bucks to over 100, depending on what you want to do. Next is going to be the JWT balance shaft removal kit. This is something that most SpecVs should have done to their car. BSR is under 100 bucks, but you have to keep in mind you're going to need some RTV. You might need some special tools. You're going to have to change your oil and oil filter at the same time. So you could be upwards to about $200. Next is upgrading the sound system. For about 300 bucks, you can add a subwoofer and an amplifier and get really good results with it. So if you already have a subwoofer and an amp, then what you can do is you can upgrade the mids by adding an amplifier to your mids and upgrading the door speakers if they already haven't been upgraded. Getting enough power to your front doors is going to make a huge difference in the sound quality and the loudness. Either way, you're looking less than $100 for the amp. A good budget would be about $300 for amp, wire, speaker. Next is a new t-shirt. If you find something you like and you buy it, I do truly appreciate your support. And in fact, for anybody watching this video, I got a promo code. Promo code is RABBIT. It's going to be for a limited time. It'll get you 10% off almost everything in the store. Here's a couple examples. Next is going to be a brace from R&D. R&D is another cool option. They got a lot of braces and stuff like that that looks really cool. And the products are affordable. And they have all kinds of options. Go through their catalog, see what they got, and they might have something for you. Next is going to be upgrading the shift knob. Put a nice weighted shift knob. Makes a big difference in how the car feels. There's a bunch of shift knobs all over the place that you can buy that'll work. I'll drop a link to one in the description. So the next item, along with the shift knob, is going to be, let's change how the shifting actually feels. So we want to crispen up the shifting. The way we're going to do this is replacing the bushings with, I think it's Delwyn, or you can put like some Red Lion bushings. Those are really cool. Some D10 springs will actually make a big difference. But replacing the bushings and the D10 springs will change the way that the shifter feels. I'll put a link to Vision One Racing's Red Lion bushings in the description box underneath. Next is a really cool mod that people don't really know about unless you're probably my age and you're out when these were a little more common. Everyone now has LED headlights. LED is kind of played out. Old school halogen bulb. It's called a rainbow light bulb. These things are really cool. They hit the reflector. They have different colors in around the light bulb. And so when you're driving, it's almost like it changes colors as you're driving from the people on the outside. When you're inside the car, it looks mostly white with little specks of other colors mixed in. But there is a company now on eBay that makes them again, since APC was the original brand that I think made them. This company is making something what looks to be very similar. I think would be really cool for the Sentra. And you won't look like everybody else is running LEDs in halogen bulb housing. My last pick, the 10th pick. Last product is going to be a set of brake rotors. I personally like Power Stop. I've always had good luck with them. They're fairly affordable. They're less than 200 bucks. So you got a performance and a look upgrade all in one. All right, that's all I got for today. Again, if you want to take a look at the shirts and you buy one, promo code is going to be RABBIT, RIBBIT. That will get you 10% off your purchase. The promo's only good for a limited time, so if you're watching this video 2 months from now and it doesn't work, well, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you guys next time. Appreciate you guys.